Welcome to the second part of our course. Engaging in oral communication in scientific contexts. In the realm of electrical engineering, mastering the art of effective oral communication is not just a skill, but a necessity. Whether you're presenting complex ideas, sharing the latest research findings, or collaborating with fellow engineers, the ability to articulate your thoughts is paramount. In this section, we'll delve into the nuances of oral communication, providing tailored insights and practical examples specifically designed for students in electrical engineering. Let's explore how you can elevate your communication skills to effectively convey intricate ideas and contribute meaningfully to the discourse in your field. Are you ready to enhance your abilities in scientific communication? Let's begin. Understanding your audience is pivotal in scientific communication, particularly in the dynamic field of electrical engineering. As we navigate the diverse landscape of potential listeners, be it fellow students, esteemed professors, or industry professionals, it's essential to tailor our approach. Here are key considerations. Firstly, assess the knowledge level of your audience. For fellow students, assume a solid foundation and delve into shared principles. With professors, feel free to explore more advanced concepts. When engaging with industry professionals, start with fundamentals before gradually introducing complexity. Next, acknowledge the interests and needs of your audience. Students seek practical applications, professors look for innovative ideas, and industry professionals want real-world implications. Tailor your content to fulfill these expectations and provide value. Consider the expectations your audience holds. Students anticipate clear explanations relevant to coursework, professors expect in-depth analysis, and industry professionals are keen on pioneering solutions. Align your presentation with these expectations for a meaningful impact. Lastly, adapt your communication style to the preferences of your audience. Students benefit from interactive discussions, professors appreciate well-structured presentations, and industry professionals value a blend of both. Flexibility in your communication style enhances engagement and ensures effective delivery. In summary, recognizing and responding to the diverse needs of your audience is fundamental to effective scientific communication in electrical engineering. This adaptability ensures that your message resonates with clarity and relevance. Now, we delve into a crucial aspect of effective scientific communication within the realm of electrical engineering: clarity and simplicity. In our journey to convey intricate concepts, it's essential to make our presentations accessible and comprehensible. Firstly, let's talk about language. Avoid drowning your audience in technical jargon that might leave them bewildered. Instead, opt for plain language, providing clear definitions when technical terms are unavoidable. For instance, when discussing power electronics with a non-technical audience, describe power converters as devices transforming electrical energy for various applications. Next, the organization is key. Structuring your presentation logically aids understanding. Start with a concise introduction, establishing the context and significance of your topic. Then, proceed with well-defined sections, using descriptive headings. For instance, when presenting research on renewable energy systems, begin with the importance of sustainable energy before delving into various sources and applications. Importantly, avoid information overload. Focus on pertinent points, provide context, and use visuals like graphs and diagrams. Simplify complex information without overwhelming your audience. When discussing intricate circuit designs, highlight critical components' roles, sparing intricate technical specifications. Lastly, leverage visual aids effectively. Clear diagrams, charts, and graphs simplify complex information. Ensure visuals complement your verbal explanations. If presenting research on semiconductor devices, incorporate well-labeled diagrams illustrating structures and functions. In this section, we'll explore effective use of visuals in the context of scientific and technical presentations within electrical engineering. The strategic use of visuals is a powerful tool, so let's dive into key strategies to maximize their impact. Selecting appropriate visuals. Here, carefully choose visuals that seamlessly align with your message. Avoid irrelevant or distracting images. For instance, if you're explaining electrical circuit design, incorporate visuals like circuit diagrams and simulations to bolster your discussion. For the subsection of prioritizing legibility. Ensuring that everyone in the audience, regardless of their location in the room, can easily read your text and understand your visuals is crucial. Opt for readable fonts, high contrast colors, and clear graphics. For example, when presenting data from an electronics experiment, large and clear graphs ensure that every attendee can discern the results. Effective data representation. Opt for charts or graphs that enhance understanding. Use labels, legends, and annotations to guide your audience through complex data. If you're discussing semiconductor analysis in electronics, employ labeled line graphs to illustrate conductivity changes concerning different variables. Embracing visual consistency. Maintain a consistent visual style throughout your presentation. Cohesive design, including font choices, color schemes, and layout, keeps your audience focused on the scientific content. Whether you're presenting research in digital signal processing or power systems, a consistent visual style minimizes distractions. Rehearsing with visuals. Practice with your visual aids to ensure smooth transitions between slides. Familiarity with your visuals boosts your confidence. For instance, if your presentation involves advanced robotics and robotics engineering, rehearse slide timings to align visuals seamlessly with your spoken explanations of robotic movements and functionality. In summary, the effective use of visuals is an art that, when mastered, enhances the clarity and impact of your scientific or technical presentations. Let's explore these strategies further to elevate your presentation skills in the field of electrical engineering. Currently, we're going to talk about an essential aspect of delivering a great presentation, keeping your audience engaged. In the world of electrical engineering, where complex ideas are the norm, making sure everyone stays interested is key. Use interactive tools. To start, think about ways to get everyone involved. Ask questions or throw in a discussion. For instance, when we discuss advanced power electronics, I might ask you about the real-world applications that come to mind. It's not just me talking, I want to hear your thoughts and keep you thinking. Bring in real-world examples. Now, let's make things practical. Instead of drowning in technical details, let's relate our concepts to real-life situations. Take semiconductor devices, for example. We look at how they're like the building blocks of electronic circuits. I want you to see how these things we study actually work in the real world. Use analogies. Analogies are like shortcuts for understanding. They connect something we're learning to something we already know. When we discuss digital signal processing, I might compare it to how musical chords are made. It might sound complicated, but through this analogy, you'll see it's not so tricky after all. Tell stories. Lastly, let's talk about stories. Imagine you're researching renewable energy systems. I could tell you a story about a community that switched to renewable energy and the positive impact it had. It's not just data, it's about real people and real change. Stories like these help us remember and appreciate the importance of our work. So, in our journey through electrical engineering concepts, let's not just understand, let's engage, relate, and appreciate the real-world implications. Because, in the end, it's not just about what we learn, but how we connect with it. Now, we delve into a crucial aspect of effective communication within electrical engineering: handling questions and feedback. Firstly, let's talk about active listening. When faced with questions or comments, it's essential to engage in active listening. This means not just hearing the words but truly understanding the concerns of our audience. For instance, if someone asks about the efficiency of a new power distribution system, listen attentively. Seek clarification if needed, ensuring we fully comprehend the specifics before responding. This level of attention demonstrates respect for our audience and enhances the quality of our answers. Providing thoughtful responses. Moving on to providing thoughtful responses, it's crucial to offer well thought out and concise answers. We're human, and it's okay not to have an immediate answer to every question. If faced with such a situation, express your willingness to follow up later with a comprehensive response. For instance, if asked about the applications of emerging nanomaterials, provide a thoughtful response based on your expertise. Transparency and the willingness to admit when we need more time foster trust and credibility. Encourage open dialogue. So creating an environment that encourages open dialogue and diverse viewpoints is equally important. We want our audience to feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and engaging in constructive discussions. For instance, in a presentation on advances in renewable energy, establishing a forum for open discussion allows different perspectives on challenges and potential solutions to be heard. This collaborative approach enriches the discourse and contributes to a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Lastly, let's talk about incorporating feedback. Feedback is a valuable tool for improvement. It's an opportunity to refine our research and enhance our future presentations. For example, if feedback suggests the need for clearer data visualization, we should integrate this into subsequent presentations to better convey our research findings and their implications. In conclusion, this iterative process not only elevates the quality and relevance of our work over time, but also fosters a deeper understanding of the subject matter. In the dynamic realm of electrical engineering, crafting a powerful conclusion is paramount for making a lasting impact on your audience. Let's explore an enhanced framework for a compelling conclusion tailored to our domain. Summary. Begin by summarizing the key points and findings from your presentation. Offer a concise review of the most critical takeaways to reinforce the main messages. For instance, if your presentation focused on integrating renewable energy sources into the power grid, recap the main advantages, challenges, and potential solutions discussed throughout your talk. 2. Closing remarks. Conclude your presentation with a memorable closing statement that emphasizes the significance of your work or provides a call to action. This final impression should resonate with your audience long after the presentation concludes. For example, if you're presenting research on energy-efficient power electronics, conclude by underlining the importance of energy conservation and urging your audience to consider these innovations for a sustainable future. 3. Q&A session. Dedicate time to a structured question and answer session, allowing your audience to seek clarification and engage further with your topic. Be prepared to answer questions about the practical applications of your research within the field of electrical engineering. Provide real-world examples and practical insights to enhance understanding and foster meaningful engagement. 4. Expressing gratitude. Finally, express gratitude for your audience's time, attention, and active participation. Beyond mere politeness, this gesture acknowledges the crucial role your audience plays in the scientific communication process. Thank your audience for their valuable contributions, underscoring the collaborative nature of scientific advancement within the field of electrical engineering. Thank you for your attention and engagement. Any questions or thoughts are more than welcome as we wrap up this exploration together.